Namaste. I am Samir Vyas, Senior Faculty from the Yoga Institute, and today we are going to look at a very interesting topic. In a world where everybody is in a rush to get noticed and to prove themselves, the truly excellent stand out for a different reason altogether. It is their silence. The truly excellent do not try to display, prove, or demonstrate. Their strength is so integrated that it does not seek validation. This concept finds its roots in yoga and other traditional scriptures of Indian literature. Yoga philosophy says that strength or Shakti or wisdom, Jnana, are something to be embodied and not to be exhibited. When a person tries to prove himself, he is operating out of the Rajas Guna. The characteristics of the Rajas Guna are disturbance, agitation, irritation. However, when a person starts excelling or a person is doing really well, that person operates out of Sattva Guna. The characteristic of the Sattva Guna is clarity, humility, and quiet confidence. Bhagavad Gita also talks about the concept of Sthita Pragya, or the one who is established in permanent wisdom, the one who is not disturbed by insults, or one who does not brag about his or her own achievements, but is grounded in the truth of the present moment and does whatever is necessary, whatever is the best course of action, without worrying about the outcomes or the fruits of that particular action. Western psychology also tells us that a person who is trying to prove himself or herself is coming out of a place of insecurity. Such a person is trying to overcompensate by boasting unnecessarily, being over-competitive, and highlighting his or her own achievements all the time. Such a person also puts others down all the time, highlighting such behavior signals that I am not sure of my worth. A truly confident person doesn't seek approval, doesn't compare, doesn't chase approval. Their energy indicates quiet confidence. Research shows that we follow people who radiate grounded confidence and not the people who perform confidence. Silent assurance feels authentic, loud confidence feels forced. Paradoxically, the more someone tries to prove themselves, the less confident they appear. It signals insecurity, and people can sense the desperation for validation. It can be very counterproductive. Such a behavior can also feel insulting to other people. Such a behavior is communicating, you are lesser than me, I am superior and I am better, thereby making other people around feel insulted. It distracts from real skill. Energy is spent in proving yourself, and such energy is then not utilized in improvement. At work, a person who constantly delivers high quality objectives is the person who eventually becomes the most trusted in the workplace. Maturity shines when one doesn't try to win an argument but maintains dignity and calm. A true practitioner never displays how knowledgeable or flexible one is. It is in the behavior, consistency, and compassion that the depth of the knowledge and skill is revealed. When your skill is genuine, it naturally radiates. You become a lamp, a light unto others without needing to shout that I am shining. That is effortless confidence. That is true strength. And that is silent excellence. Thank you.